Using Walkie Talkie in Microsoft Teams. Welcome to M365 Professional. Walkie Talkie in Microsoft Teams works anywhere with Wi-Fi or mobile internet connectivity. Manufacturing. Frontline teams can request immediate assistance by connecting to a Teams channel in the Walkie Talkie app. Start by opening the Walkie Talkie app. Then go to Channel and choose a channel to talk in. On select devices from ecosystem partners like Zebra Technologies, Samsung, Crosscall, and more. Use the hotkey on the side of the device for an instant push-to-talk experience. It's simple to relay critical information. Select, connect, then press and hold the talk button to be instantly connected to everyone in the channel. When a user receives a walkie-talkie message from another user, the sender's profile image and name appear on the screen. Communicate conveniently and securely with Walkie Talkie in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.